The Indus Valley Civilization was a Bronze Age civilization in the northwest region of the Indian subcontinent, consisting mainly of what is now Pakistan and parts of India, Afghanistan, and Iran. Flourishing around the Indus River basin, the civilization extended east into the Ghaggar-Hakra River valley and the upper reaches of Ganges Yamuna Doab. It extended west to the Makran coast of Balochistan, north to northeastern Afghanistan, and south to Daimabad in Maharashtra. The civilization was spread over some 1,26,000 kilometers, making it the largest known ancient civilization. The Indus Valley is one of the world's earliest urban civilizations, along with its contemporaries Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt. At its peak, the Indus civilization may have had a population of well over 5 million. Inhabitants of the ancient Indus River Valley developed new techniques in handicraft, including carnelian products, seal carving, and metallurgy of copper, bronze, lead, and tin. The civilization is noted for its cities built of brick, roadside drainage system, and multi-storied houses. The Indus Valley Civilization is also known as the Harappan Civilization, as the first of its cities to be unearthed was located at Harappa. Excavated in the 1920s in what was at the time the Punjab province of British India. Excavation of Harappan sites has been ongoing since the year 1920, with important breakthroughs occurring as recently as in 1999. There were earlier and later cultures, often called Early Harappan and Late Harappan, in the same area of the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization is sometimes called the mature Harappan culture to distinguish it from these cultures. Up to 1999, over 1056 cities and settlements have been found, out of which 96 have been excavated, mainly in the general region of the Indus and Ghaggar-Hakra River and its tributaries. Among the settlements were the major urban centers of Harappa, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Kalibanga, and Rakhigarhi. The Harappan language is not directly attested, and its affiliation is uncertain since the Indus script is still undeciphered. A relationship with the Dravidian or the Elamo-Dravidian language family is favored by a section of scholars. Now let's go into the discovery and the excavation of Harappa. The ruins of Harappa were first described in 1842 by Charles Masson in his narrative of various journeys in Balochistan, Afghanistan, and Punjab, where the locals talked of an ancient city extending 13 crosses, but no archaeological interest would attach to this for nearly a century. In 1856, General Alexander Cunningham, later the Director General of the Archaeological Survey of Northern India, visited Harappa when the British engineers John and William Brunton were laying the East India Railway Company line connecting the cities of Lahore and Karachi. John wrote, "I was much exercised in my mind how we were to get ballast for the line of the railway. They were told of an ancient ruined city near the lines called Brahminabad. Visiting the city, he found it full of hard, well-burned bricks and convinced that there was a grand quarry for the ballast I wanted. The city of Brahminabad was reduced to ballast. A few months later, further north, John's brother William Brunton's section of the line ran near another ruined city, bricks from which had already been used by villagers in the nearby village of Harappa at the same site. These bricks now provided ballast along 93 miles of the railroad track running from Karachi to Lahore. In 1872-75, Alexander Cunningham published the first Harappan seal. It was half a century later, in 1912, that more Harappan seals were discovered by J. Fleet, prompting an excavation campaign under Sir John Hubert Marshall in 1921-1922, and resulting in the discovery of the civilization at Harappa by Sir John Marshall, Rai Bahadur Dayaram Sahani, and Madhur Sarup Vats, and at Mohenjo-daro by Rakhal Das Banerjee. E.G.H. Mackay and Sir John Marshall. By 1931, much of Mohenjo-daro had been excavated, but excavations continued, such as that led by Sir Mortimer Wheeler, Director of Archaeological Survey of India, in 1944. Among the other archaeologists who worked on IVC sites before the partition of the subcontinent in 1947 were Ahmad Hassan Dani, Brijbasi Lal, Nani Gopal Majumdar, and Sir Mark Orielsten. And with the next section, we'll deal with the geography of the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization encompassed most of Pakistan, extending from Balochistan to Sindh and extending into modern-day Indian states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab, with an upward reach to Rupar on the upper Sutlej. The geography of the Indus Valley put the civilizations that arose there in a highly similar situation to those in Egypt and Peru, with rich cultural lands being surrounded by highlands, desert and ocean. Recently, Indus sites have been discovered in Pakistan's northwestern frontier province as well. Other Indus Valley civilization colonies can be found in Afghanistan, while smaller isolated colonies can be found as far away as Turkmenistan and in Gujarat. Coastal settlement extended from Sutkagan in western Balochistan to Lothal in Gujarat. An Indus Valley site has been found on the Oxus River at Shottughai in northern Afghanistan. According to some archaeologists, more than 500 Harappan sites have been discovered along the dried up riverbeds of the Ghaggar Hakra River and its tributaries, in contrast to only about